explorers, welcome back to our channel. So let's begin with the next topic very quickly, and the topic is sound of vowel O. So the next vowel, that is O. Now we are going to read the sounds of the vowel O. So first of all, we have read aloud. Let's read it very quickly. That says P-O-T. That means pot. R-O-D. That says rod. M-O-P, which says mop. H-O-T says hot. D-O-G says dog. And C-O-T says cot. So now we have the sing alouds. So let's sing it aloud all together very quickly. Says D-O-N-K-E-Y. That means donkey, donkey. Donkey, donkey, old and grey. Open your mouth and gently bray. Lift your ears and blow your horn to wake the world this sleepy morn. So, after reading all these sing alouds, I hope you all must have identified the sounds of the vowel O. After that, we have the phonic drills. So, let's begin with the phonic drills and get the sound of vowel O very clearly. So, first one, the phonic drill is O-T. So, let's read and find out L-O-T, lot. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. G-O-T, got. And N-O-T, not. After that, we have the O-G, that is L-O-G, log. S-O-G, sog. B-O-G, bog. F-O-G, fog. And J-O-G, jog. Next is the O-B sounds. Let's read and find out. N-O-B, knob. S-O-B, sob. C-O-B, cob. J-O-B, job. And B-O-B, bob. After that, the next phonic drill is O-L-D. So, let's read the words. H-O-L-D, hold. T-O-L-D, told. B-O-L-D, bold. G-O-L-D, gold. And F-O-L-D, fold. The next and the last phonic drill is O-S-E. So, let's read N-O-S-E, nose. R-O-S-E, rose. P-O-S-E, pose. L-O-S-E, lose. And D-O-S-E, dose.